Are you looking for the best portable fire pits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable fire pits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ciays Smokeless Fire Pit 19-inch. The Ciays Smokeless Fire Pit is designed to enhance your outdoor experience with its innovative features. The patented waterfall flame technology ensures a hotter and cleaner burn by increasing airflow and reducing smoke, making your gatherings more enjoyable without irritation. With a stainless steel grill rack included, you can easily prepare delicious meals while you relax around the fire. The fire pit is portable, featuring steel handles and foldable legs for easy transport and setup. Plus, a long fire poker allows you to manage flames comfortably, ensuring safety and convenience during your outdoor adventures. What we like: less smoke irritation. Includes grill rack. Portable design. Easy to clean. Number 2. Ciays 19-inch Propane Fire Pit. The Ciays Propane Fire Pit offers a range of features designed for outdoor enjoyment. Its rust-proof cast iron grate allows you to cook food or heat liquids while relaxing outside, making it perfect for backyard gatherings or camping trips. With foldable legs, this fire pit is easy to transport and store, fitting conveniently into tight spaces. The CSA certification means you can use it even during wood campfire bans, providing peace of mind. Plus, the reliable piezoelectric ignition ensures that lighting the fire pit is quick and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on enjoying your time outdoors. What we like: durable cast iron grate. Portable and easy to store. CSA certified for safety. Reliable piezo ignition. Number 3. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 Smokeless Fire Pit. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is an all-stainless steel smokeless fire pit that provides a unique backyard fire experience. Its signature 360 degrees airflow and double wall design reduce smoke without the use of batteries or fans. The 2.0 version features a removable base plate and ash pan for easy cleaning, and its portable design makes it perfect for camping or backyard parties. With a size of 14 by 19.5 inches and no need for assembly, it's easy to use and ideal for outdoor activities. What we like: smokeless fire experience. Easy to clean. Portable design. Number 4. Flame King Smokeless Propane Fire Pit. The Flame King Smokeless Propane Fire Pit is a 24-inch portable firebowl that produces a clean and smokeless flame with 58 kBTUs of heat output. It comes with a 10-foot hose and regulator to connect to your standard barbecue propane tank. The easy assembly and self-igniting piezo system make it convenient to set up and ignite without a lighter. The fire pit also includes a UV and weather-resistant cover, fabric strap handle for easy transport, and propane tank stabilizer ring. The flickering effect of the flame is enhanced by natural lava rocks, and the flame can be adjusted using the chrome valve knob. What we like: produces a clean and smokeless flame. Easy assembly and self-igniting system. Comes with a cover, carry straps, and propane tank stabilizer ring. Number 5. GasBRUH Portable Propane Fire Pit. The GasBRUH Fire Pit is designed for outdoor convenience and enjoyment. Its portable design features a lockable lid and a handle, making it easy for you to carry wherever your adventures take you. You can enjoy a clean and smoke-free fire experience, eliminating the hassle of ash and firewood. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to advanced ignition technology that allows for quick and safe lighting. Additionally, the included stainless steel regulator hose ensures safety while you control the flame size for the perfect ambience during gatherings. What we like: portable and easy to carry. Mess-free campfire experience. Quick and safe setup. Durable and weather-resistant.